Addressing mental health issues is vital for fostering resilience, maintaining relationships, and achieving personal and professional goals. Let's see Priyanka Chopra sharing how to fix our mental health issues effectively.
Especially when you have something that you're mentally feeling like you can't move on from, you have to find support. You have to find someone you can rely on. I relied a lot on my friends at that point. I chose, instead of being alone and dealing with it alone, I would go out, seek out people that actually care about me. And I think a lot of kids don't do that. Because of stuff we read and people's opinions that we read online, and trust me, no one has more opinions about someone as they do about me. I get so many opinions from people, good, bad, ugly, and I could very easily succumb under the pressure of it. But I feel like social media can be good and can be evil. If you focus on the good, the idea of social media was to get people together. It was never to make people feel like they are
Targeted.
they're targets. Exactly. So I think instead of focusing on the negativity and taking the pressure off, it's important, if you're feeling down, dark, deep, to not keep it to yourself, to not be alone. It's very important to find someone that you can talk to, even if they can't help you. It doesn't have to be a therapist. It could be your mom, it could be your friend, it could be someone, but don't do it alone.